The African great parrot, scientific name Psittacus erythacus, is one of nature's greatest animals. They are a beautiful bird from the Psittacidae family. They have a distinct red tail, making it easy to spot them in the wild. They have been cherished and valued for over 4,000 years. Here they can be seen in Egyptian hieroglyphics. They mostly live in Midwestern Africa, but less are found in the wild nowadays due to rapid domestication. Millions of African gray parrots have been traded legally and illegally since 1975. The main reason this animal is so popular is because of its ability to mimic speech.
Alexa, tell me about parrot.
Dwayne Thomas Johnson, also known by his real name Rock, is an American actor, producer, and professional wrestler.
Alexa, woof woof.
As you can see, the African gray parrot has very impressive speaking skills. Not only can they mimic human speech well, they can also make random sounds almost perfectly.
Can you fall down? Did that hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
Can you do a cat?
Ow.
How about a dog? Can you bark? Fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Can you do water?
So, how do they actually speak? Unlike humans, African gray parrots use something called the syrinx to talk. The syrinx vibrates as air passes through it, and the parrot's beak controls the sound it makes. When they hear somebody say something, they practice it to get better at speaking. This is why we hear them repeating after humans so much. They are one of the most intelligent animals. Because of this, studies show they have similar cognitive abilities to a human toddler. Overall, the African gray parrot continues to amaze people because of its wonderful speaking ability. This makes it one of the most interesting animals on Earth. Thank you for watching. Now watch this parrot act silly.
Ahoy!
Mom, it's me.
Giz what? Do I? What do we say? Giz! We say mom. Mom loves.
What?
Mom loves.